Photoshop Express Photo Editor is a powerful Android application that allows users to edit and enhance their photos with professional-grade tools directly from their mobile devices. As a part of the well-known Adobe Photoshop family, this app offers a user-friendly interface designed for both beginners and advanced users. The application provides a wide range of editing features, including cropping, rotating, and adjusting brightness and contrast. It also offers advanced functionalities like filters, effects, and retouching tools, allowing users to creatively enhance their images. With options for text overlay and frames, users can further personalize their photos. Additionally, Photoshop Express supports quick fixes such as blemish removal and noise reduction, ensuring images look polished and professional. The app also includes features for creating collages and applying one-touch edits for efficient workflows. Overall, Photoshop Express Photo Editor is a versatile and accessible photo editing solution, empowering users to transform their images with ease and creativity, making it a top choice among mobile photo editing applications.